Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best TI-30XS is probably one of the most versatile and reliable scientific calculators available on the market, making it an indispensable tool for students and professionals alike who need to tackle complex mathematical problems with confidence and accuracy. Its robust feature set, user-friendly interface, and durable construction ensure that it can withstand the rigors of daily use in classrooms, labs, and even field work, providing consistent performance when you need it most. Whether you're navigating through algebra, calculus, statistics, or any other advanced mathematical discipline, this calculator is engineered to simplify your calculations and enhance your problem-solving capabilities, making it a worthy investment for anyone serious about their academic or professional pursuits. Number 5. RedStar TI-30XS Fraction Calculator. Introducing the RedStar TI-30XS, the perfect scientific calculator designed for students. It's your ideal companion for tackling complex math problems in school. Prepare for your SATs with confidence. This calculator is SAT-ready, offering 240 functions to support trigonometry, statistics, and various calculation modes. Its compact and durable design makes it perfect for exams, office, or everyday use. Enjoy responsive buttons, clear labels, and a protective hard cover. This non-programmable calculator handles all essential math functions with a clear 12-digit HD display. It's perfect for both school and office tasks. The two-line display clearly shows both your entries and results, enhancing accuracy. It's ideal for subjects like chemistry, physics, stats, and calculus. Dive into geometry, algebra, and advanced calculations with its specialized functions for trigonometry and logarithms. It's a great tool for advanced students. What we like. This calculator is SAT exam ready with 240 functions. It offers a clear two-line display for easy viewing of entries and results. If you are a student preparing for standardized tests like the SAT and need a reliable, straightforward tool for essential math functions, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect calculator for teenage niece. The display is perfect for at school. The size fits in a pencil case and has all the functions she needed for her class. Scientific calculator was ordered specifically to use in my exams. It's very handy otherwise. It functions as a calculator, but the buttons are very soft. It very easily doesn't register your numbers, and the screen doesn't show everything you input, so you have to scroll backwards. You waste a bunch of time just trying to make sure this calculator is functioning while you use it. Pay a little extra for a brand name you recognize. Number 4. Texas Instruments TI-30XS Scientific Calculator. Introducing the Texas Instruments TI-30XS, a reliable two-line scientific calculator. It's designed for clarity and ease of use in any academic setting. Its two-line display allows you to see both the input and the result simultaneously. This makes complex calculations much easier to follow and verify. This calculator comes in a sleek black color, offering a professional and classic look. It's built to withstand daily use. Perfect for students in middle school, high school, and even early college. It covers all the essential functions needed for science and math courses. Its portable design makes it easy to carry around campus or to class. You can count on it to be a dependable tool for your studies. Trust in the quality and performance that Texas Instruments is known for. This calculator is a smart investment for academic success. What we like. This calculator features a convenient two-line display for clear calculations. It's designed to be portable for on-the-go use and operates on both solar and battery power. If you need a dependable scientific calculator that's easy to carry and always ready to go, this is the one for you. What people say. Works well for teenager who is required to have it for school. Handles being dragged around in a book bag and dropped around well. Works great for basic calculus, works just like any other calculator. Was required to buy this for my calculus class given the fancier graphing calculators allow for cheating and finding answers via the machine rather than working them out yourself in regard to certain subtopics. I passed the PE exam with this bad boy. If it can achieve the greatness of professional nerd, it can do anything. Number 3. Texas Instruments TI-30XS MultiView School Calculator. Introducing the Texas Instruments TI-30XS MultiView, your essential tool for academic success. This calculator is designed to make complex calculations simple and clear. Its advanced multi-view display shows up to 4 lines at once. This allows for easy comparison of different calculations and results, helping you understand your work better. It offers an ideal combination of statistics and scientific functions. Data input is simplified, and the advanced data list editor lets you store and assign functions for efficient problem solving. Experience math as you see it in your textbook with pretty print. Entries and outputs are displayed in standard mathematical notation, making them easy to read and understand. Effortlessly convert between fractions, square roots, and decimal numbers. This feature saves you time and reduces the chance of errors in your calculations. Need to check or correct a previous entry? Equation Recall lets you easily access, edit, and correct past calculations. The result is automatically updated, ensuring accuracy. What we like. Experience calculations like never before with its 4-line multi-view display, showing entries and results in mathematical notation. It simplifies data input and allows for easy editing of previous entries. If you appreciate seeing your work laid out clearly, just like in a textbook, and want the flexibility to review and correct past calculations, this is an excellent option. What people say. It took a bit to adjust to its many functions, but it worked very well. Besonders hilfreich finde ich das Multiview Display, mehrere Rechentric und Brücke lassen sich übersichtlich gleichzeitig darstellen, was die Nachvollziehbarkeit enorm verbessert. Auch das intuitive Menü-System ist durchdacht aufgebaut. Man findet sich schnell zurecht, auch ohne ständig ins Handbuch schauen zu müssen. Number 2. Texas Instruments TI-30XS MultiView Scientific Calculator. Introducing the TI-30XS MultiView, a compact scientific calculator designed for clarity. Its 4-line display makes complex calculations easy to read and understand. This calculator offers powerful 1 and 2 variable statistics capabilities. Analyze your data with ease, whether you're working on basic or advanced statistical problems. Seamlessly convert between fractions and decimals with a single touch. It's perfect for subjects where precise fractional representation is key. Master fractions with its step-by-step simplification feature. Understand the process and ensure accuracy in all your mathematical endeavors. Despite its small size, this device packs a punch. It's the ideal companion for students and professionals needing reliable scientific computation on the go. What we like. This calculator boasts a 4-line display for enhanced readability. It excels at step-by-step fraction simplification and offers easy conversion between fractions and decimals. If you're looking for a tool that makes complex fraction work more manageable and provides clear, multi-line output, this is a solid pick. What people say. Perfect calculator for my son who is a biology major in college. Everything he needs and nothing that he doesn't. Bought for my daughter for her middle school assignments. It has been very trustworthy. Works like it should and love the color. Number 1. Texas Instruments TI-30XS Scientific Calculator Teacher Kit. Introducing the TI-30XS Scientific Calculator Teacher Kit from Texas Instruments. This pack is designed to support educators in the classroom. It provides multiple units, making it easier to equip your students with reliable tools for their math and science learning. These calculators are built for daily use, ensuring consistent performance throughout the school year. They are a dependable choice for educational settings. The TI-30XS is a versatile tool that aids in understanding complex concepts. It's perfect for a wide range of scientific and mathematical applications. This 10-pack offers great value, allowing you to provide essential scientific calculators to your students efficiently. Equip your classroom with this comprehensive kit. What we like. This is a teacher's kit, providing a pack of 10 calculators. It's designed to equip an entire classroom or study group efficiently. If you're an educator or part of a large study group needing multiple reliable calculators for simultaneous use, this bulk pack is the most practical and cost-effective solution. What people say. These calculators are perfect for higher-level math for our students. These calculators are great for a classroom. These carts are very useful to completing school tasks and helping to move items from one room to another. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.